Hi everyone, Mary Wall here. This is your Tapping Tuesday exercise for this week for Never Too Late. So your exercise this week is all about cramp rolls. A cramp roll is a step, another step, a heel drop, another heel drop. So you're going to go step, step, heel, heel. We're going to take it nice and slow. So you'll go step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel. Good. Let's try some starting with the left foot. So now the left foot will step, the right foot will step, the left heel will drop, the right heel will drop. So that'll be step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel. Now, a few things to think about. First of all, keep it light. That's no good for you. It doesn't sound good. There are times when you want to maybe add emphasis to something, so you might do it a little harder or louder. But most of the time, you want to think about keeping things pretty light. Get used to that now. It's harder to break the habit. It's easier to go louder than it is once you get in the habit of being loud to take things back and make them softer. So start soft. The other thing is you want to make sure you're dropping the correct heel. Step, step, heel, heel. So when you're on the right side, you're going to drop the right heel first, just like you stepped on the right toe first. When you're on the left side, the left heel will drop first. The other thing I want you to pay attention to, because this is very common with beginners, is that you go step, step, and then people will pick their feet up again and just step flat instead of doing heel drops. That's not what this is. That's basically a step, step, stamp, stamp. What you want to do is think about those toes being glued to the floor. You can't pick them up again, and then you drop the heels. All right, so this exercise we're going to do, it's a little different. You're going to do 7 cramp rolls, nice and slow, starting with the right foot. Step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel. This is 3, heel, heel, 4, heel, heel, 5, 6, 7, and then you're just going to do a stamp, which is a flat-footed step. It doesn't mean to pound it to the floor. Just step lightly on the flat of that right foot. Now, your left foot is free, so you can do the same thing on the left side. 1, left, right, 2, heel, heel, 3, heel, heel, 4, heel, heel, 5, 6, 7, and stamp. Okay, we're going to do that 2 times through. So from the top, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, step, step, heel, heel, 2, heel, heel, 3, heel, heel, 4, heel, heel, 5, 6, 7, and stamp. Left foot goes 1, 2, heel, heel, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stamp. We go again. We go right, left, heel, heel, 2, heel, heel, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stamp. Left side goes left, right, heel, heel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stamp. All right, that's your exercise for this week. Let's try it with some music. 5, 6, 7, 8. And step, step, heel, heel. 2, heel, heel. 3, heel, heel. 4, 5, 6, 7, and stamp. Left foot goes left, right, heel, heel. 2, heel, heel. 3, heel, heel. 4, heel, heel. 5, 6, 7, and stamp. Right foot again. Right, left, step, step, heel, heel, 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 stamp. Left foot now. Left, right, heel, heel, 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 step, step, heel, heel, stamp, and hold.